Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase workflow efficiency with ClickUp easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your ClickUp account or create one if you haven't yet. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. Navigate to the Spaces section to create a new space for your project. Click on the plus new space button. Name your space according to the project you'll be managing. Set your space color and adjust other settings as needed. Next, head to the Folders section within your new space. Click on plus New Folder to organize your tasks and projects. Label your folder to reflect its purpose, such as marketing or development. Now, it's time to create a list within your folder. Click on plus New List and name it according to the specific project or objective. After that, you can start adding tasks to your list. Click on plus New Task to create your first task. Input a name for the task and set the due date if applicable. Assign the task to a team member by selecting their name from the drop-down. Next, use the description box to detail task requirements. Consider adding subtasks to break down larger tasks into manageable steps. To do this, click on Add Subtask and enter each subtask's details. Now, utilizing ClickUp's features can greatly enhance your workflow. Explore the Views feature to customize how you visualize your tasks. Switch between List View, Board View, and Calendar View based on your preference. Another useful feature is the Automation tool. Click on the Automations tab to set rules that trigger certain actions. For example, you can automate task assignments when due dates approach. Regularly check the Notifications section to stay updated on task progress. Encourage your team to utilize the Comments section in each task for better communication. Set reminders for yourself and team members to keep everyone accountable. Finally, review your workflow weekly to identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your workflow efficiency with ClickUp. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.